Good evening, all of you from Ashok Bhardwaj. Welcome to Education Network 00141. Student, in this class, I will discuss with you some most important daily use English sentences. This sentence is very important to improve your English. So it's my polite request to all of you, please watch this class carefully. Don't waste time. Now hurry up. Now look at the first sentence. First sentence is थोड़ी देर में, in a while. Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 2. क्या करना है, what to do. क्या करना है, what to do. Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 3. कहाँ जाना है, where to go. कहाँ जाना है, where to go. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 4. कैसे कहना है, how to tell. कैसे कहना है, how to tell. Isn't that so? Next sentence. Sentence number 5. वह कौन है, who is he. वह कौन है, who is he. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 6. मुझे जाने दो, let me go. मुझे जाने दो, let me go. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 7. किसने कहा, who said. किसने कहा, who said. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 8. किसके बारे में, about whom. किसके बारे में, about whom. Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 9. किसके बारे में, about what. किसके बारे में, about what. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 10. किस तरह से, in what way. किस तरह से, in what way. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 11. क्या आपको यह करना चाहिए. क्या आपको यह करना चाहिए. Should you do this. Should you do this. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 11. क्या हमें बड़ों का आदर नहीं करना चाहिए. क्या हमें बड़ों का आदर नहीं करना चाहिए. Ought we not to respect elders. Ought we not to respect elders. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 13. वह क्या कर सकता है. What can he do. वह क्या कर सकता है, what can he do. Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 14. तुम क्यों नहीं पढ़ सकते हो. तुम क्यों नहीं पढ़ सकते हो. Why can you not study. Why can you not study. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 15. आप उसे कैसे हरा सकते हो. आप उसे कैसे हरा सकते हो. How can you defeat him. How can you defeat him. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 16. यह लो, take it. यह लो, take it. Isn't that so? Move to the next sentence. Sentence number 17. बिल्कुल नहीं, not at all. बिल्कुल नहीं, not at all. Okay students, today's most important daily use English sentence in class is indeed here. I hope you must have enjoyed today's class. It's my polite request to all of you. If you have any query related with this class, you can write down your view in comment box. How did you like today's class? Okay student, meet you tomorrow in next class with some most important daily use English sentences. I inform you daily in my class, please use more and more English spoken words या English sentences if you want to improve your English. So thanks for this cooperation.